Discovery Falcon opened its doors in 2013 and includes elementary, middle, and homeschool.
So our homeschool program is unique because children still get to experience a classroom setting, and they get to experience having a teacher, friends, peers, and a classroom community.
We believe belonging is at the foundation for learning and that students thrive when they feel seen, safe, and valued.
We firmly believe in a growth mindset, so students feel safe making mistakes, understanding that doing hard things is how you grow, and they create a safe space for each other. And they really understand that every student here is different. Discovery students are able to care about each other and accept each other for who they are and build on each other's strengths.
A lot of times family and school seem like two entirely separate entities. And because families are brought in and their strengths are utilized, it really creates an environment that almost becomes like an extension of home, and it creates a really safe and happy place for these kids.
At Discovery, our parents are asked to volunteer in the classroom, which really means that our learning is rooted in our community, and it takes the whole community to accomplish what we do here.
Unlike traditional schools where you just drop your children off and you don't really know anything that's going on for essentially 7 hours of their day, here you get to be a part of your kid's classroom. You get to know the teachers, you get to know the staff, the admin. Everybody knows who everybody is. You know also when you build that community that other parents are also looking out for your kids.
Positive discipline focuses on connection, mutual respect, and a little bit of brain science. It primes the brain, it reduces stress and creates an environment, and it makes it much easier for teachers to teach and for learners to learn.
Project-based learning is the heartbeat of our academic program. Each grade level designs 3 major projects annually, grounded in real-world inquiry and authentic application.
Part of Discovery Education is every year it looks different because every year our kids are different, and so we adjust to who our kids are, what they need, what their interests are, and we weave the academics into that.
Learning extends beyond our walls through field studies, service learning, and community partnerships. Students apply classroom concepts in real-world contexts.
My biggest thing that makes Discovery unique is the number and variety of field trips that we get to go on. I think it really ties into Discovery's whole child philosophy. Like, they get a chance to have hands-on labs with actual scientists and working labs. They get to have guided inquiries into these historic sites that we're blessed to have around us. And then they get led tours of amazing world-class art museums, and it just drives home the idea that learning doesn't stop and that we really are connected whether we're at school or not.
Takes them away from just learning on a screen or even pencil and paper. But I really feel like the kids here they discover the joy of learning.
Discovery Falcon was built by families and is sustained by love. It is a place where children grow wings through wonder, belonging, and joyful learning. On behalf of our students, families, and staff, thank you for your time and interest in our mission.